rainwater in your home or facility? Welcome to the Puretec HybridPlus Whole House System, a patented all-in-one pump, filter and UV package. This sleek, practical and high-quality system ensures you have pressurised, safe and delicious rainwater. The patented HybridPlus system is designed to sit neatly against a wall, fence or tank, or can also be freestanding. It incorporates adjustable feet to ensure the finished installation looks great and sits firmly on the ground. Installing the connecting plumbing has never been neater or easier with the unique flexible connection system, enabling connections on the left or right-hand side of the system, whatever suits. Puretec HybridPlus Series systems are designed to handle the most demanding applications and are built with a lockable, aluminium weatherproof cover with the unique gull-wing style doors, allowing excellent access for easy maintenance. The 3-point locking system secures the doors and helps stop tampering, vandalism and is child-proof. The unit also has provision to be bolted to the ground if required. Puretec's HybridPlus systems are designed to provide protection from harmful bacteria that can easily enter rainwater. The HybridPlus comes with triple-stage filtration, finishing with UV sterilisation. It includes a premium industrial-grade pressure pump with the option of 2 sizes, or if you already have a pump, you can get a model that just has provisions for your own pump. The triple-stage filtration setup is excellent for water with a high contaminant loading and is designed to be able to filter rain and/or mains water. Stage 1 removes dirt, sand and other particulates. Stage 2 reduces taste, odour, chlorine and other chemicals. And Stage 3 reduces finer sediment and particulates down to 1 micron. And then the water goes into the ultraviolet sterilizer, which is the final stage. The Puretec HybridPlus utilizes rad-fire ultraviolet technology, which kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses and nasties found in your water. You can relax knowing that this process is completely chemical-free, which is good for you and great for the planet. The HybridPlus Whole House series is feature-packed with pressure gauges to monitor cartridge condition, isolation valve, UV countdown timer, and visual and audible alarms, which means you'll know exactly when it's time to change your UV lamp. Each hybrid system has been specifically engineered and tested for maximum capacity to provide the longest service life. Puretec stands for quality, so of course our HybridPlus units are all watermark approved. Watermark approval is third-party certification required by government legislation for products installed on drinking water supplies. For your peace of mind, our hybrid systems are all backed by a market-leading 3-year warranty. Puretec, perfecting water made easy.